Hey guys, actually, while doing my open house, just ran into another lender. Her name is Mariana Vargas. Amazing realtor. She actually partners with a credit repair. So I don't want anyone to be deterred if you have any sort of credit issues or anything like that. Please don't be embarrassed. I too have had these in the past, and working with a credit repair can actually benefit you in a lot of different ways. But if you come through with me, I can definitely, if you have that issue, set you up with someone like Marina, if not Marina, who can better assist you in getting that credit repaired. And we can just move forward from there. But until then, you guys have a blessed day. Bye.